Hi there. Discover the perfect baby shower gift with this 19-piece newborn essentials basket, designed for new moms and dads. It includes adorable baby clothes like a bodysuit, headbands, mittens, socks, bibs, and soft cotton blankets to keep your little one cozy and comfortable. The set also features a baby grooming kit made from safe, high-quality materials, and a baby hand and footprint kit to create lasting memories. Plus, the cute bunny security blanket and wooden rattle provide sensory fun and soothing comfort for your baby. Every item is thoughtfully organized in a beautiful gift box, making it easy and convenient for parents. This comprehensive basket combines practicality and charm, making it an ideal gift for welcoming a newborn girl or boy. Celebrate new life with a gift that cares for baby's comfort and creates precious keepsakes. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.